Hello YouTubers, I'm Python3 and this is our sixth video in Python 3 basic programming language. In the previous video we have learned how you can create a list in Python 3. In this video we are going to create how you can create dictionary in Python 3. So dictionary is a Python data type that is used to store key value pairs. It enables you to quickly retrieve, add, remove, or modify a dictionary data using a key. So now I'm going to create a dictionary in Python language. You can simply write dict and the key is, for example, name, and the value you can give it, and like this it's a key value pair. Now if I print dict and if I run it, you can see that now I have this name email like this. Also you can access through a key, print dict I want the name, and if I run it, you can see now this is name, and print dict I want the email, and if I run it, this is email. And if you want to modify a dictionary also you can do. For example, I want to modify the name from Python3. For example, I want to give it a name. Now if I print dict and if I run it, you can see that this is modified, the name is modified. Also you can print the length of a dictionary, and I will receive 2 elements in a dictionary. You can traverse data in a dictionary using a for key in dict, and I want to print the key and also dict key. You can give a comment here. Now if I run it, now you can see that the name is John and the email is this. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my channel.